Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mojito with normal soda. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for this refreshing drink. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves and 2 lime wedges. Also, have your favorite white rum and simple syrup ready. For the soda, choose a clear, unflavored option like club soda or sparkling water to ensure the best flavor. Now, let's get to the fun part. Place your mint leaves and lime wedges into a sturdy glass. Gently muddle them together, just enough to release the oils and juice without tearing the mint. Next, add 2 ounces of your preferred white rum. Then, pour in 1 ounce of simple syrup to balance the flavors perfectly. With your muddled ingredients and liquids in the glass, it's time to chill things down. Fill the glass completely with ice cubes. Then, slowly top the mixture with your chosen clear soda, filling it to the brim. For a beautiful presentation and an extra burst of aroma, garnish your mojito with a fresh mint sprig and a thin lime slice. Finally, give your mojito a gentle stir to ensure all the ingredients are well combined and the flavors meld together. Take a moment to admire your creation, then sip and savor your refreshing homemade mojito. It's the perfect drink for any occasion. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to relax with a good book, check out the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, plus other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.